had coffee today? You. Where's Angie? Where's Angie? Oh my God! The blanket monster's getting you. Angie, where'd my Aisha go? See my Aisha. See my. That one little corner is gonna hide her whole body. This is what happens when you give a 2-year-old a cup of coffee. They go crazy. Careful, careful. It's the end of the bed. Maisha, watch out. It's the end of the bed over here. She's so hyper. She can't even contain herself. Angie. What in the heck? Angie, what are you doing? Careful, girl. Careful. She can't get no further. Angie! Oh no, Angie! Angie! She gonna get mad. Boo! Yeah, we all got that cough. Alright, say bye. Say bye-bye. She's like, yeah, right.